Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add sound on your video in TikTok PC. So you can see this is TikTok. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, or you can also use the TikTok app Windows, and then click here the upload. This is the same interface you'll get the app or any other browser, and then select file here. Then you have to select file. I'm going to choose this one, and then you need to wait to upload fully. So here you can see it's uploading now. Once it's done, once it's fully uploaded, then you can see it's a video. So what you need to do to add the sound, simply click edit video, and you can see option sound. Click sound and recommended. You can also search here like hip hop. I can just search, or you can happy, or you can like happy birthday special song. So it's not available. I need to recommend sound. So you'll get here some sound. You have to choose. So I'm just use this one, and now it's added here. You can edit your sound. You can cut, or you can see you can so after that, it's really amazing feature, and you can click the save edit, then upload your video, and you'll see the sound it's added now. So okay friend, today's normal. See you in the next video.